to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make clove and aloe vera oil for hair growth. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. Yes, to my 372 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys, for watching my videos and for subscribing, your comments. I love interacting. Keep those comments coming. Yes, so let's get this channel actually to 500 subscribers, dear friends. In as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow so that we can actually, reach a bigger audience. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today and share this video to friends and in groups where you think they can benefit from this video. So clove and aloe vera oil will actually stimulate hair growth. It will actually help you to prevent itchy scalp if you have dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, if you have alopecia or your hair is thinning out, because they have nutrients and active ingredients which promote hair growth. So we are going to use our dry aloe vera. That is actually 4 grams. So aloe vera will actually promote hair growth. It helps itchy scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, and it's a common inflammatory skin condition that affects your scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So aloe vera will actually protect your hair from UV damage, and it will give it that shine, color, and make it your hair look so beautiful. Aloe vera will strengthen your hair. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acids, and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play part in healthy hair follicles, and it also controls greasy hair. So aloe vera also has enzymes that break down fats and get rid of extra oil or sebum, and it will also help with seborrheic dermatitis as well, and it will prevent your hair from UV damage from radiation that comes from the sun. So UV exposure can cause your hair to lose shine and color and make it rough and less elastic, leading to breakage. Clove oil is very important, like it's mostly part used in Vedic and traditional medicine. So it protects the scalp from damage, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents, which further helps in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With the presence of vitamin K in clove, there is better blood circulation, which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itchy associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Clove also protects the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. The compound eugenol found in clove helps to promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen, and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. Clove also has powerful antiseptic and antifungal properties that can help make your hair grow. So you have to make sure that you put your oil on the herbs and the oil on low heat. Yes, and of course I did use grapeseed oil because it's a light oil. You can use any oil that you have, yes, provided it's a natural oil, like coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, pumpkin oil, macadamia oil, quite a number of them. So that is how our clove and aloe vera looks like. It looks so beautiful, and the color has changed, as you can see, meaning that it has infused very well. Consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't, and give this video a like. So friends, like this oil is so rich. It will actually stimulate growth. It will prevent thinning. It will prevent premature graying. So it will also promote hair growth. You can use it on the edges, on the scalp, as a pre-shampoo, add it to your deep conditioner. Yes, so of course, like I really love this combination of oils and the herbs, which are so powerful to promote hair growth. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends. Are you going to try out this? Thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.